Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover Instagram account without email or password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is simply first access your Instagram. In this Instagram, let's say your main account which has been you have forgotten the information about, make sure to access your friend's account or some other and go to search bar and type in the exact username of your account. So let's say for now, so this is the account, right? So let's say we have forgotten the information about this account, so we would like to recover it. So what we're gonna do, make sure you remember the username of it, right? Make sure you remember this. Now go ahead, go back, profile icon bottom right, 3 horizontal on top, settings and privacy, scroll down and log out. Afterwards, tap on the option of log into another account. That particular ID's username is right over there, right? And you don't know the password. Now tap on this forgot password and add in the username. So let's go ahead. Once you're done, tap on continue. And they have found the account, right? And now we're going to tap on try another way. So for now, because we have the information, that's why. And this will simply give you the option of how you're gonna simply you can get a code via Instagram notification, code on your email, on your number, and enter password, which we do not have. So which we're gonna do, tap on this, no longer have access to these. And now these are the options again given by, but we do not have any of the information. Tap on try another way. And now you can see why can't you get into your Instagram. Tap on I forgot my password and can't reset it. Tap on next. Now tap on this to take selfie videos to confirm. I know I do not have the photo of myself in my account. Then you can simply gonna go ahead, tap on it and tap on next and enter the current email address that you're using so they can send you information on this. Once you have tap on it, tap on submit. Now that we then afterwards you have to provide them a video of your site profile, front and right. Once you have provided them, they will confirm and let you know the further steps for you to retrieve your account on your email. Go ahead, check out the inbox and simply get your account back. That is the process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.